Welcome back to McPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2023 Ford F-150. This particular F-150 is an XLT model and it's finished in Agate black metallic. Now we're going to take a quick walk around the outside of this particular truck here, then we'll hop into the interior. This is a very well optioned XLT model. This truck is about $80,000 Canadian. And so I'm going to try to show you some of the differences and some of the options that this particular truck has. So we'll start here with the front end, where with your XLT high package, you do get the LED reflector headlights. Also includes the LED fog lights there in the lower bumper. This truck has the sport package, which is a very popular way to equip an F-150. So you do have this body colored front bumper, as well as a different grille. And the front bumper also includes these front parking sensors, which is a part of the upgraded co-pilot driver assistance package that this XLT has. So you have the parking sensors right there, and you even get some exposed recovery hooks down there at the bottom. And if we come out to the side here, this one has the 18-inch wheel, which comes with the sport package. Really nice design. I do like these wheels a lot. And it's wrapped in an LT 265/70 all-terrain tire, and this is the upgraded LT tire option that is available with these 18-inch wheels, so you get a little bit more of a heavy-duty light truck tire. And then we have the XLT badging right here, and this one has the optional tow mirror. So this is a dual convex mirror. You got your blind spot indicator system, and this one has the 360 camera system, so you have the side view camera just underneath right there. And this truck is equipped with the PowerBoost hybrid engine, so you do get that badge there on the lower door. I'll talk a little bit more about the hybrid engine when we get into the interior. But this is the Super Crew model, so it's your full four-door, and you do have the 6.5-foot bed. So this is a bit of a longer F-150. And then right there, you got the FX4 off-road package, so you get that sticker there on the side of the box. And then if we come out to the back end, you get that body colored rear bumper, which is a part of that sport package, and you get the rear parking sensors, class 4 hitch receiver, so you get that 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as the rear view camera, and a nice soft opening tailgate. Of course, we got the tailgate step right here with the work surface as well, and with the PowerBoost hybrid engine, we have the availability of getting the 7.2 kilowatt Pro Power onboard system. So this is basically a massive inverter system, like an onboard generator, and it utilizes the hybrid electric battery and all of its electricity that it carries. So you have a bunch of outlets here in the bed, ranging from 240 volt 30 amp circuits to your standard 120 volt 20 amp circuits. You get loads and loads of power here. Again, over 7,000 watts, so this could really come in handy. So you got that on this truck here. You also have LED box lighting and lots of different tie-down points. And then taking a look into the interior, with the sport package, we also get a unique cloth interior as well. So this is the black sport cloth with the console seating, and the seats are 10-way power adjustable, and they're heated for your driver and passengers. So again, really comfortable, really nice cloth seat here. And then on the door panel, got some nice soft touch leather material on the armrest, and of course power controls for everything. This truck here has the upgraded 8-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, so you do have that speaker there in the door. Really nice finish. I got lots and lots of storage down there, and this is an $800 option here in Canada, 800 Canadian dollars. And there is your headlight controls. We also have the tailgate release and an electronic parking brake. And then we'll step inside here, take a look at the key fob. This is a keyless fob, and it does include the remote start system as well as that tailgate release. And push button start. So as I briefly mentioned before, this truck is powered by the PowerBoost hybrid engine, which utilizes a 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 and a 35 kilowatt electric motor. The combination of both electric and gas power puts out 430 horsepower and a whopping 570 foot-pounds of torque. So massive power coming from these half-ton trucks. It's paired to the 10-speed automatic transmission, and again, this is four-wheel drive. This is a full hybrid system, meaning it is capable of driving in full electric power alone. And if you're in full electric and you give it a little more throttle, it will automatically kick in that gas engine. It's a really seamless, very smooth transition between hybrid power. But we'll move on to the steering wheel here. We also, again, we have that upgraded driver assistance package. So we have adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Two really, really nice things to have on highway driving and longer road trips. Super cool to have the adaptive cruise. And then you got your volume buttons right there. And then on the right side, there's controls for the center gauge cluster screen right there. And then various different, track and phone buttons. And then in the middle, you're going to find the 12-inch Sync 4 display, and this does come with your standard, your upper end XLT model like this one. You got Sirius XM, of course, got your Bluetooth right there, built-in navigation system. There's also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all the various different little settings in there. And then in the feature section, this is where you're going to access the Pro Power onboard settings, and you can monitor all that through this screen. You also have the power flow, which will kind of show you the status of the hybrid system. So right now we're idling, and it's fully being powered by the electric battery there. Your towing stuff, zone lighting, all that. Lots and lots of features into the screen there. And then on top, you have the 360 camera system, and you can push that and cycle through a bunch of different views. You got your parking sensors, you can turn those on and off, as well as hill descent control. And then moving down here is where we're going to find your climate control. Of course, you got your heated seats right there, rear defrost, pretty standard there. And then you got your four-wheel drive, has the locking rear diff, which you get with the FX4 off-road package, so get a little bit of added traction. And again, that 10-speed automatic. This one here has the optional interior work surface. This basically means we can fold the shifter flat like that. And there's a little handle here on the back of the console, and we can flip that open like that, and then now you get a nice flat surface here. You can throw your lunch on here, or laptop, whatever you need. So you got a nice flat surface, and very, very multi-purpose. Put the shifter back up. With that inverter system, Pro Power on board, you get bigger interior outlets as well. Upgraded wattage here, so you have again 120 volt, 20 amp, which is maybe more than you would see in your house. So loads and loads of power, and then you got the reset right above that. Of course, lots and lots of additional storage, dual glove box, and there's that center speaker for the Bang & Olufsen sound system. And then taking a look into the rear seat, again, this is the Super Crew model, which is by far the most popular option for F-150s. And just like the front, you got those black sport cloth seats. Really, really nice cloth material, very comfortable, great for long road trips. And you got the also, you can flip them up, and you got the flat floor back here, so you can load your tools, or maybe you have a pet, you can load your dog back here, no problem at all. And this one has the rubber floor liners as well. Ordered from the factory, so you got full protection for all the passengers. And then we put this back down, another bunch of outlets back here, so you got another 120 volt circuit, you got USB, and there's even 12 volt right above that. So again, you can just keep everything charged up, no problem at all. And then here is the window sticker for this particular F-150. So right up top, again, 2023 F-150, 157-inch wheelbase, which is basically the Super Crew with the 6.5-foot bed. Pretty long configuration. You got that 3.5 liter PowerBoost in Agate black. And here is the massive, massive option list. We have 2 columns of options, which I don't see very often, but this truck definitely has a lot. So you got that 302A, which is your definitely most popular for most consumer trucks. And then there's your PowerBoost engine, $2,200 there. And there's the Copilot driver assistance packages. You got the Pro Power on board, FX4. I mean, the list goes on and on here. There's your B&O system, and a couple more up there. 360 camera, sport package, all that. And actually, we got almost $15,600 in options on this truck. Lots and lots of options. Brings your final MSRP to $80,790. So now these are Canadian prices, so just keep that in mind. We are in Canadian dollars. We do have a lot of US viewers that watch, and they yell at this price. How could this truck be that expensive? But these are Canadian dollars, so just keep that in mind. But that is the MSRP for this truck here. So if you're interested in this particular 2023 F-150 XLT, it is for sale here at McPhee Ford. You can either give us a call, or you can visit us at mcpheeford.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.